Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a quiet, controlled space and getting the first usable takes. Place absorption behind and to the sides to tame early reflections. This helps clarity without deadening the tone. Choose a microphone that matches the guitar and taste, then position it 6 to 12 inches from the sound hole or near the 12th fret depending on warmth or string detail you want. Once levels are set, make sure the interface gains let peaks sit around -6 decibels, so you keep headroom and low noise. Next, refine tone and capture options while tracking. Apply a gentle high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove unwanted low rumble but keep body. Use narrow cuts to tame honky mids rather than wide shelving. Record at least 2 perspectives, a close mic for attack and a room mic for space, and consider a die or amp feed to blend later. Also, make sure you monitor with low latency and consistent volume, so your performance dynamics remain steady and usable in comping. Finally, assemble and polish the tracks into a musical guitar sound. Comp the best performances and perform transient-aware timing edits to tighten without squashing feel. Keep dynamics natural. In the mix, gently boost presence between 2 and 5 kHz for clarity and attenuate 300 to 500 Hz if the guitar feels muddy. Add subtle parallel compression for sustain without choking attack. If things go wrong, check microphone phase alignment first, flip polarity and nudge timing, then isolate noise sources or reamp clean die tracks as a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.